How to create a YouTube account. Creating a YouTube account is very easy. First of all, you have to go to Google, and if you click here, you will see many icons. Among them you have to click on the YouTube logo. On clicking, YouTube will open. Now after this you will see many videos like this video. In this video you will be told how you can increase the views of your videos on YouTube. To watch this video, click on the link shown above. Now let's move ahead. It is written here, create a channel. Now click it. After clicking, you will be asked to enter the name of your new channel here. You have to enter the name of your new channel here. As I want to create my new channel, I have named my new channel, My Nude. Similarly, you also have to enter your username. Try to ensure that your username is similar to your channel. This will benefit you a lot in the future. Now it is written below, create channel, click on it. Many congratulations, your YouTube channel is ready. Now you can upload the logo of your channel here. Click on upload. In this way you can create a unique logo and upload your logo. Just below this you will see that you are seeing the option to upload banner. You can also upload your banner from here. For how to make a logo and banner, you can see how you can make your logo and banner by clicking on the button above. Now let's move ahead. Video watermark. Friends, the advantage of video watermark is that whenever someone watches or downloads this video, he will see the watermark only inside the entire video. So friends, this is a wonderful thing. Watermark must be applied. After this, from here you have to click on publish. Now you refresh, you will see that your channel is completely ready. If you want to make your channel SEO friendly, then you can learn by clicking on the button above this video. How to increase views, subscribers on the channel, and how to earn money from YouTube. For this you can go to your channel and watch videos. See you soon in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Before leaving, click on the video if you liked this video, and if not, then please tell by commenting. Must subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.